Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with some of the things that I've gotten recently. We're going to be playing with the BH Naughty palette. Kind of get a little bit of post-Christmas holiday spirit going on. And the S'mores palette from Glamlight. Some blushes from ColourPop. Just a few things that I wanted to pull out and play with and kind of chit chat, sit down and get ready with you guys. So if that's something that you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take off my glasses. And I did my brows with the Joa brow pencil like I usually do. It's in ebony. And then also like I do, I use the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in Ignite. So I'm ready for the eyeshadow, and I'm going to go into Misbehave right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. That's my transition shade, and I'm just using this Glamlight smaller blending brush to do this. So we had a good Christmas. The kids were real excited about all their presents. It was really nice. My husband had to work, but he didn't have to work till 2, so he made us breakfast. He made country ham and eggs and biscuits and then fried potatoes and onions, and it was so good. Alright, now I'm going to go into Yuletide up here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner and in my outer crease, just using the same Glamlight brush. Now we kind of had a little scary moment here in Nashville. We had just ate, and then my husband's mom called, and we don't watch the news or anything, but at 1 o'clock in the morning somebody drove an RV with some explosives. I'm not sure exactly what all they had, but some explosive down to... Alright, I got interrupted. I'm not sure where I was in the story, but I think I was around about where they drove the RV downtown, and I think it was, I'm not sure exactly where it was downtown, but they drove the RV downtown, and they had like a siren or a speaker or something on it that like 45 minutes, it came on and said they have 45 minutes to evacuate the area. So everything was evacuated, and there was one lady that they left when it was 8 minutes till and went across the bridge, and then nothing happened for 20 minutes, so they started coming back and were almost there and it exploded. So I don't know what their thought process was with doing that, but my husband was like, that's the friendliest bomber ever to warn people out of there. It's like, what was their actual, what did they actually want to happen? Obviously they didn't want to kill people, or they wouldn't have warned them. So I don't know. It's just something horrible to happen on Christmas Day, because it happened like early in the morning on Christmas Day. I think at 6. I think 1 o'clock was when they drove the RV down there, and they think they found remains. So I don't know if the person like stayed in there or what exactly that was about too. So it's still kind of not knowing exactly what happened, but it messed up everybody that has AT&T. they couldn't use their phones. Like my mom tried to text us to tell us Merry Christmas. She couldn't text us. Their internet was out, which we have Xfinity internet, so our internet worked fine, and our phones were kind of back and forth. We had boost phones, so ours were like, I couldn't call my husband a couple of times, but then I tried to make a call and it worked. So it was just kind of back and forth working. And I've been we gave my daughter a phone for Christmas because she needed a new phone, and I haven't been able to set it up because of all of it too. Like their services are messed up. Everything's kind of messed up right now, and with telecommunications. Alright, I'm taking the bigger blending brush and gonna go over the edges. But yeah, that's just not something that happens in Nashville. Like, it doesn't seem real. Alright, now I'm gonna take a nutcracker and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. Just gonna deepen this up a little bit, and I'm using my Sigma E42 Precision Firm Blender to do this step. Got a little bit of fallout with that shade, but I'm going to take this flat shader and go into Rum right here and put that in the middle of my eye. Take a little bit of Rum. Alright, I'm going to take the other side and go into Decked Out right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner part of my lid. Taking a cotton round with some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up my mess that I got going on here. Alright, I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, and I'm going to put that on my face as my primer. Oh, we did have a white Christmas though. It's the first time, and I don't even know if I remember the last time we had any type of snow on Christmas, but it started snowing Christmas Eve, and it just kept going, kept snowing. We had over an inch. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it started snowing at first, and then it covered a little bit, and then it stopped, and then it started snowing again, and snowed a little bit harder, heavier. And actually it stayed cold on Christmas Day, so it stayed there. So we had a white Christmas. My daughter went out and played in the snow a little bit, but I think it might have been a little bit cold for her. Alright, now I'm taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Mont Blanc Light 2. And I'm going to dot that on my face. I'm going to blend that out with my Sigma Multitasker brush. Alright, now I'm taking the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer in 08 Light. And I'm going to dot that on my under eyes. I'm taking my concealer brush and blending that out. Callie? Sorry. She does what she wants. She's a mess. Callie. I just took some of my number 7 powder in light and set my under eye concealer. Alright, now I'm taking my Glam Light S'mores palette and I'm going to take the contour bronzer in here and warm up my face. Callie's gotten into my lap now, so if I seem weird trying to move around, it's because she's got me kind of pinned down a little bit. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like chocolate, but I smell chocolate a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to take the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Love Story. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And I think I'm going to do the graham cracker highlight and try that out on my skin tone. See how it looks. See what it looks like. That's really pretty. I like it. Really pretty. Going over my brow. Over the other brow. I have like this one hair. It's little baby hair that's like it never grows and it sticks up all the time and it drives me nuts. I'm going down my nose. And I'm putting a little bit on my chin. And actually, I think I want a little bit of blush on my nose. Alright, I'm going to take Nutcracker right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer third of my eye. I'm going to run Yuletide the rest of the way. Taking a little fluffy brush and I'm just going to run that up underneath to blend it out. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pastel Dreams Auto Eyeliner in Marshmallow and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And I'm going to take Cheers up here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. See what that looks like. Alright, I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back to do our lips. Alright, for lips, I'm going to take the lip liner ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Petal Please. I was just kind of thinking the darkness on the eyes, I think a darker lip would look good. And I'm going to take the Lippy Sticks in, what's this? Oh, Good Times. Put that over the lip liner. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of the Glam Lights more lip gloss on top of that. Alright, that means that lip liner would be good with this lip gloss, so I'm going to take the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. And I'm going to spray my face with that. Alright, well this is the final look. I hope y'all like it. I really, really love it. I'm digging the lip combo. Looks really pretty, and the eye combo. Everything just kind of goes together real well. So here she comes back to my lap. So I'm really, really loving this look. I think that the highlighter, just everything just went perfectly together, and I'm digging it. So thank you for sitting and hanging out with me today, for listening to me talk about our Christmas and what was going on. Other than the terrorism, it was a great Christmas, and we all enjoyed it. We all had a lot of fun and getting to hang out together and eat a really good meal. I was super full after eating all that. I took a nap, so I had to take a nap after that because it was a lot of food and it was really good. So we tried to watch Wonder Woman on HBO Max, but I got like not even halfway through and fell asleep. But we had a lot of fun. I hope y'all had a lot of fun with your family and had a lot of fun on y'all's holiday. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day as well as the rest of your holiday. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.